Through this topic, I have not only learned more than the lessons from the modules, but I have also learned about myself. This subject, understanding the self, was a process of reflection and self realization. It enabled me to delve deeper into who I really am, where I came from, and who I am meant to be. This subject made me understand that knowing me is not about knowing everything, but on knowing and accepting my strengths and my weaknesses. I came to realize that knowing myself is the first step to change. Knowing why I feel certain emotions, why I make certain decisions, and how can I improve myself day by day. And as someone who have experienced many challenges, such as losing my parents at a young age, being raised by my grandparents, and having to be strong for my younger siblings, this subject reminded me on how far I've come. It made me realize that my difficulties did not make me weak, but instead, it highlighted how strong and resilient I am as a person. I have also learned to embrace who I am as a queer individual. For so long, I allowed the harsh words of others to affect how I see myself. But this subject taught me the importance of self acceptance and self love. I realized that my uniqueness is my strength, and I should never apologize for being myself. The activities and reflections of this subject strengthened my emotional maturity. I have learned to be more patient with myself, more compassionate towards the others, and more thankful for each experiences, whether it is good or painful. I gained an awareness of how my thoughts and feelings influence my actions, and how critical it is to care for my mental and emotional well being. And above all, most important, understanding the self made me remember that growth never really stops. I am still learning, I am still healing, and I continue to become who I am supposed to be. I might have experienced pain, loss, and judgment, but I still cling to hope. And I now view myself not as a damaged individual, but as someone who continues to rebuild stronger and wiser every day. This topic really helped me grow as a person. It has taught me self awareness, emotional stability, and strength. It helped me understand that uh, despite the challenges I've been, I can dream, I can succeed, and I can provide a better life for my family in the future. Through this portfolio and this video reflection, I hope to convey the lessons I've learned, not only in academics but in life itself. I am proud of where I have been, and I am thankful for who I am becoming.